Right, so the new fuel filter has arrived. That's the part number if anybody wants it. Genuine KTM, and this is what it looks like. Just a plastic fuel filter with 3 spouts coming off it. So what you want to do is undo these 2 bolts here. Then you want to take the back seat off, undo these 2 10mm. Lift the seat up, that comes off, that's your air filter. And you want to undo them 2 bolts there. And then there's 1 bolt there and then 1 on the other side. You also have to undo these 2 10mm here as well. Hold the seat on. So it's actually this bolt, that bolt, this one and that one. Not the black ones, they're the fake bolts. So now the fairing's off, you can see how dirty it is. So now what you want to do is put the cap back on so no shit can get into the fuel tank. This is your ECU here. I'm going to clean all this up. Right, so what you need to do now is undo the 4 bolts here that hold the ECU. Right, so we're just going to make that sit there. So there's 2 10mm. Just want to undo them. Take these out. And what you want to do is screw that back down. Fuel don't come out. So with them out, this should just lift up now, which it does. Now what we need to do, as you can see, very manky, we need to undo this injector wire, hose, and unplug the fuel pump, which is here. It should pull out. Right, little clip there, it comes out. Now I just need to go get some pliers. Oh, you've got these 2 brackets as well which will want to come off. That's normal. Let's pull them off. It shows where they were again. They hold down the seat. When you undo this, a bit of fuel's going to come out, but that's normal. There's this hose pipe clamp here. Squeeze it, give it a bit of a wiggle. Like that. Then this should just pull off. There we go. That's the tank off. I'm just going to clean it up now. Clean all the frame, clean all this. Just going to get to it once the tank's off. Top of the engine now. Alright, so I've just given this a clean. Because one thing you don't want is dirt and fuel mixing. That's when you get problems. So the fuel filter just clips out like that. You will get some leakage. Right, so now what we need to do is undo these 2 clamps that hold these fuel fill pipes. One's a flow and one's a return. So we go up down, there we go. Do the same on this side, flip this round. And then just pull the pipes out basically. You might have to twist it. There we go. That's 1. That's 2.
Ooh, nice and wet.
All that. It's alright. Normal, is that?
Bit of weepage.
Then what you want to do is the orientation. It went like that. It's just reverse order now, so just push that on. Make sure it's all seated home.
I like how that one went on so easily, but that one's having a bit of a
Yeah.
struggle.
There we go.
Strain, yeah.
And then just literally pull your clamps back up. Show the seat where they were, which were there. And another one there. Now we can put it back on the bike. Right, so this is why you change your fuel filter regularly. You see all that coming out of it? That is all the shit that you don't want in your engine. So I'm actually curious to see how dark the fuel filter is. So I'm going to cut the top off with an angle grinder and we'll see what it's like. So this is why you change your fuel filter, because look at the state of that. Jesus. Alright, so now what you want to do is connect the pipe back up to this bit. Just goes right on there, look. And so that's the fuel line plugged in. Now what I want to do is connect the fuel pump, which the plug is somewhere. Is it there? There it is. Actually get it the right way around. Goes that way. Clips in.
Pretty sure yellow to yellow, green to green.
Yep, so that just sits back down like that. So what I'm going to do is just give it a bit of a start up, just to make sure it works. Oh, it's all connected. Just make sure there's no leaks, which there isn't. So you might need to prime it a few times.
Oh.
Check for leaks.
Nothing that can be seen.
Ready? So now what you need to do is just literally reverse order, put all the fairing back on, screw ECU down, and yeah, that's how to change a fuel filter on a KTM Duke 125. Thanks for watching.